Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're trying something new today. I'm at QDOBA. I've been to QDOBA maybe 5 or 6 times in my life, and I liked it every time. But it's just not real convenient for me normally from home, or it's not too bad from work, but I just never think about coming here. So I understand they got a new Philly Cheesesteak Quesadilla that I really want to try. It sounds delicious, and I'm going to try it here. They don't have a drive-through, so I'm going to go get it, and then we're going to drive over to the park where we like to sit and give this thing a try. Success. Let's get to the park where we eat this. Alright guys, I'm calling that a success. It was a much more pleasant experience than my last encounter with going in and picking up food. I think there was 2 people in the whole store. They were very professional. They treated their guests with respect. I appreciate that, QDOBA. You don't know how much I appreciate that. So guys, yeah, here we are. This is very messy, very hot, melting in front of me. The quesadilla, the Philly Cheesesteak Quesadilla. I'm going to use this bowl. It's a pretty good serving. I'm going to fill up on this thing. I'll tell you that. But let's get right into this. This is the they call it the Philly Cheesesteak Quesadilla. And it's supposed to be new. I'm going to trust them at that. I don't know if it's one of them. It's been gone a while and come back. They didn't say that, but we're going to get a bite of it, though, and give her a try. Here we go. That is tasty. That is very good. Very good, guys. Wow. Definitely very good. It's going to be messy if I ain't careful. Another bite. I'm not sure, other than maybe the cheese. I'm not sure where the Philly comes into that. The Philly cheesesteak. So I'm gonna have to, if you know what that's about. I mean, that is a chicken fajita quesadilla, in my opinion. Maybe it's just the cheese. Okay, I don't know. It's good though. I like it. Thumbs up, guys, on QDOBA's Philly Cheesesteak Quesadilla. And I will finish this for sure. Not hot, good flavor. And it was good to get back to QDOBA. I don't get over there very often. I'll be back there for sure. Did get a Coke Zero. Very delicious. And for kicks and grins, I got a chocolate chip cookie. Probably overpriced for its size. You know what? I'll try the cookie. See if it's worth the money. I think it's like $2 or $1.75 for that little thing. Give it a shot. Soft, moist, good cookie. Thumbs up on the cookie, guys. I'll save that for after I eat. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you alone with that. I just wanted to get you a little video, and I had not been to QDOBA in quite a while. So it's pleasant to get over there. Like I said, unlike that sub sandwich place that I went to a week or 2 ago, this was a much better experience. Short staffed, they still conducted themselves in a good manner, and that's important to me. So guys, thank you as always. I really enjoy doing these videos. I guess until next time, I'll catch you on the next food review. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.